In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Jotform to your GoDaddy website. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone looking to streamline your online services, integrating a Jotform into your GoDaddy site can enhance user interaction and data collection. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your Jotform account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. The sign up process is quick and straightforward. With your account ready, you'll be able to access all the forms you've created or start a new one. Now, once you're logged in, the next step is to select the form you want to add to your GoDaddy site. Simply browse through your list of forms and click on the one you wish to use. After selecting the form, you'll see an option to edit it. Click on Edit Form to open it up for any last-minute adjustments you might want to make. This is a good time to ensure all your form fields are correctly set up and that it's fully ready to be shared. With your form ready to go, the next step is to click on the Publish button. This option is typically located at the top of the form builder interface. Publishing your form is crucial as it generates the necessary code you'll need to embed it into your GoDaddy site. After clicking Publish, look for the Platforms option. This will bring up a list of third-party platforms where you can embed your form. Scroll through this list and select GoDaddy. Selecting GoDaddy will present you with the specific code needed for integration. Once you've selected GoDaddy, you'll be given an embed code. Click on Copy Code to copy this code to your clipboard. This code is what will allow your Jotform to appear seamlessly on your GoDaddy site. Now switch over to your GoDaddy website builder. In the upper right corner, you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on this to access your site's editing interface. Navigate to the page where you want your form to appear and prepare to add a new section. To add your form, you'll need to insert a new section. Look for the option to add a new section to the page. Once you're ready, search for HTML in the section options. After finding it, click Add. This will create a new area on your page where you can input custom HTML code. In this new section, you'll see an area labeled Custom Code. This is where you'll paste the embed code you copied earlier from Jotform. Carefully paste the code into this field. Once you're satisfied that everything is correctly in place, click Done to save your changes. And there you have it. Your Jotform is now integrated into your GoDaddy website. Visitors to your site will be able to interact with the form right there on the page. This integration is a powerful way to engage with your audience and collect the information you need efficiently. Thanks for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, be sure to leave a comment or give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tutorials to make your online presence even more effective.